Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today we're going to be making a really delicious recipe using our flavor of the month, our Blueberry Artisan natural flavor. And we'll also be incorporating a little bit of our vanilla bean artisan as well. So without further ado, we're going to be making some blueberry toaster strudels. And personally, I feel like when you reduce blueberries, they don't really give you that big punch of blueberry flavor. So I'm going to use our Blueberry Artisan here just to really enhance it. So when you bite into this, the first thing that comes to your mind is, wow, this is just jam-packed with beautiful blueberry flavor. So let's get started. The first step of this recipe is to make a blueberry jam to fill our toaster strudel with. So we're just going to take all of our ingredients and put them into the pot. So in goes the blueberries. We have some lemon juice, a little bit of water. And with this recipe, you can use frozen or fresh blueberries, sugar, and a little cornstarch to help with the thickness. And just turn on your heating element and get it up to a boil. You'll want to squish the blueberries as you're doing this. So now that we have created our filling, we are going to add in the Blueberry Artisan. So we're just gonna add in 2 teaspoons. And let's just stir that in and we'll let this cool. While it's cooling, we're going to make a cream cheese frosting to put on top. Now let's make our cream cheese frosting. Going to add in some powdered sugar. I have 4 tablespoons of milk here as well. I'm not going to add all of it in. I'm just going to add half of it and then more if we need it. I'm also going to put in more of our Blueberry Artisan natural flavor. I'm going to start with just 1 teaspoon here. And I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of our Artisan vanilla bean. This just gives it a little bit of warmth. Okay, let's mix it up. And scrape down the bowl as needed to make sure everything is nice and incorporated. One more good mix. Perfect, and this smells so much like blueberries. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna transfer this into a piping bag until we're ready to put it on our toaster strudels. We have our puff pastry dough here. I'm just going to start rolling it out, and then we can cut it into some rectangles to make our toaster strudel. Now we'll cut this into rectangles. So next what we need to do is fill our pastry, close it with a fork, and give it a nice brush of an egg wash. So I'm gonna take 1 of my rectangles, 2 of my rectangles, and I'm just going to put a dollop of our blueberry filling in the middle and place the other pastry on top. Use a fork to close it up. And let's transfer this to our sheet, and then we'll continue with the rest of the dough until we are done. And before you pop these in the oven, you're gonna wanna put an egg wash on them. This is just water and an egg. So our toaster strudel is done. I pulled it out of the oven at about 15 minutes. It's nice and golden brown. So let's put some of our cream cheese frosting on here. Oh, beautiful. That is going to be so delicious. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you give it a try at home. Please let us know in the comments below what you think. Also, be sure to follow us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll never miss any new recipes or tips and tricks. We'll see you next time.